They are learning the constellations at school tonight. What do the stars look like, everyone? Let's look through the telescope. Dominic sees a balloon. How about Aiden? He can't find anything. Belle finds flowers and a hat. There's a pancake. What he thought to be a pancake was the moon. All Aiden found in the sky was food. Here you go. The mothers brought you some bread. Everyone is so happy. Guess you were hungry, Aiden. Nursery. Savannah is trying to help Luke get dressed. But he is trying to do it on his own. See? I can do it on my own. Good job, good job. Oh, looks like you have it on backwards. You were close. Hurry, we're going to be late. There we go. Oh no, you're forgetting your bag. Do you have everything? Have fun. The two are off to school. Oops! Looks like Luke is wearing the wrong shoes. They are playing at Samuel's house. Sarah has come by with balloons. While she was handing the babies balloons, one flew away. I'll go get it. Samuel runs up the stairs. Go, go! Hurry, hurry! Got it! Good job! Oh no, the other balloons too! He catches them all! Wow! That's amazing, Samuel! Let's play in the backyard. Children are playing around with the ball. Oh no! I kicked the ball too high! Wait! 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 Oh no! Now what are we going to do? In the direction that the ball flew, everyone is trying to eat apples. Watch out! You're going to get hit! Reaches out for the apples. Nice catch! Susie joined to play with the ball too. The red ball looks like a big apple.